Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing a fast lens and positioning mom or a gift roughly 6–10 feet from the background. This distance enhances bokeh size and separation. Once done, hang string lights or attach shaped bokeh cards behind the subject so highlights sit inside the frame. Set aperture to the widest available and pick a focal length of 50–85 mm for flattering compression. Make sure to lower ISO and let the camera choose shutter speed, or set it manually if you need precise control. You now refine focus and exposure to keep the subject sharp while the background melts into soft circles. Use single-point autofocus on the eyes or gift detail, then slightly back-button focus if you prefer. Once locked, change shutter speed to freeze motion or allow gentle blur. Use a tripod for speeds slower than 1/60th. Make sure to vary background light intensity and move the lights farther to grow bokeh discs, or closer to shrink them and increase sparkle. You finish by testing small composition tweaks. Crop tighter, tilt the background, or swap lens focal length for different bokeh character. Once satisfied, bracket exposures by plus or minus one stop to ensure highlights and skin tones are correct. If you see blown highlights, drop exposure or add a neutral density filter. If bokeh looks hard-edged, move the background farther away or open the aperture more. Make sure to review shots at 100% and adjust light positions.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.